Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Bread tastes best stored at room temperature, like in a pantry. Refrigerating bread speeds up staling because the cold makes starch crystallize. For short-term freshness, use a bread box or paper bag to keep crusts crisp. If you need longer storage, freezing preserves flavor better than the fridge and prevents drying out.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.